The author, Wallace Walder, he wrote a book called The Science of Getting Rich. He mentioned about the success is not about doing the things. It's about you do the things in certain way. That's so powerful. You know, my mentor, Mr. Wick, he just read this book and been triggered by this famous sentence. He been spent over 40,000 hours and also invest over $6 million US, design and create the ABS business system. What's this system do for? It's special for entrepreneur and small business owner who wanted to make money online. Also can use this remarkable system applied to your current business, no matter what type of business you're doing. So what is the certain way Mr. Wick took to build his multi-million empire business? Let me going to show you the very unique and dynamic of the ABS business system. Last video, I have been showing you the back end of the ABS business system, which is an affiliate marketing back end system. This video, I'm going to show you the front end and give you a complete overview. I will take a few of the small videos to show you all the system about. So this is my front end, which is my affiliate business hub. Even so, it's a website, but beyond the website, we got the more things. Later on, you will see. So we call it affiliate business system, which is a money hub. So this hub particularly target the entrepreneurs and marketers who wanted to make money online. So our message is very simple and straightforward. Then you can see like a greeting, I'm the Terry. So they know who I am, who I'm going to talk to. And also I mentioned that, do you want to have this opportunity to transfer your online aspiration into reality? If yes, they need to click the next button I show you. So they come into my webinar. Okay, so that's our front end. So this webinar does all the setting. And then you can see there's videos and some warm message from Vic and also Terry, who is the APG about. Then we got the 4 step. See, like learn how to make money online in the first step. Second step, to improve your knowledge. So which take to my blog section, provide value add information. And next one is to review the best resources, which take to our tools resources section. And last one is step 4, join a VIP inner circle, which is going to our community. So all right, so this is our, we call front end. With this ABS system, you'll be able to create many front end, many hub. See, like this, the other one, which is AskTerry.biz. The first one we saw is apgconnect.com. And this one is AskTerry.biz, more personalized. So the message is the same. Do you want to make more money this week? But this one will be talking about who is Terry and talk about my background. And also we got the 4 steps, and which is the same as the one we saw before. Then I got the other hub. This one is askterry.com.au, which is more targeted to like small business owners and real estate agents, because I'm in real estate, you know. So I want to connecting to those people by customized message, particularly target to them to help them to build a lead generation system and marketing engine, and also successful VIP communities. So this is a different targeting, but the layout is the same, as you can see. Now we're coming to our biggest section called webinars. In my Money Hub or ABS systems, I have over 15 very exciting webinars, which produced by weeks and plus top marketer in the world. I purchase the rights in my system, allow me to marketing, connecting to more people. See, like this is the first one, ABS system. This is the one we currently focus. Next one, this one is building an effective sales engine through smart webinar system. This one so powerful. If you got a chance to go into my channel to register our webinar, you will experience a brand new concept of the webinar. I bet you haven't seen a webinar like that. I encourage you to going to check out our webinar workshop and presenting perfectly, and is done by this system called Smart Webinars. Then we got the Internet Traffic Mastery, list building, the one we just mentioned in last video, like this massive traffic blueprint we highlight in last video, talking about Mr. Wick spent over $6 million US and over 40,000 hours in last 20 years just design and develop this massive traffic blueprint, which help him generate million dollars without spend much of advertising. So we have a right to sell all of those webinars. So each of the webinars is an individual business unit alone, allowed to make your profit. Yesterday we mentioned about it can make up to 100% based on the license you purchase. Now we're going to next section is courses. So we got lots of courses like 7 Steps to Freedoms, 10K per month, Wealth Autopilot to teaching you become dealer or affiliate to a purest gold and silver coins, over 99.9% purity, and you can become a dealer or agent to build your wealth. Then we got the massive traffic blueprint, and we mentioned about, and we continually pumping in more courses, more webinars into your system and help you make more money and connecting to your people. That's why I said this is not just a website, it's a business system and profit center. Next one, top resources and tools for entrepreneurs. We recommend many tools and systems we've been used. That's powerful. And each of the tools we have attached videos, explanations, workshop to help people to use those tools effectively. And mind you, all of those resources and tools built in with affiliate marketing ecosystem, which means someone check out, if they purchase, they like it, we get a pay ongoing. So this is powerful built-in. So this video, we talk about ABS system, the front end, about the courses, webinars, and tools. In the next video, I will going to show you very unique and dynamic of the live event and broadcaster and chatting system. Why so unique to us? I also going to talk about independent reviews synchronized in our hub. And lastly, I will going to talking about the VIP club, like a business community. Thank you for watching.